Tired of toilet rings that just won't quit? The Safety Foam Kit is here to save the day. Step 1. Grab your Johnny Mop and plunge down that water line like a pro. Next, wring it out using the built-in cone. Yes, it's genius. Now pour about 1 ounce of safety foam right onto the mop head. Get ready for the magic. Start swirling it around the bowl. No dunking in water. We don't want to water it down. Work from the top down and let those foamy bubbles do their thing. Wait 3 to 5 minutes while it breaks through buildup and vanishes the dreaded toilet ring. Still see a little stain? No problem. Your pumice stone is hiding in the back of the caddy. Just wet it and gently scrub the spot away. Flush it all down and boom, you've got yourself a sparkling, like-new toilet. Cleaning like a pro was never easier with the Safety Foam Kit.